What's up guys, AJ Streamer here, and today I'm going to build my own gaming PC, so stay with me. So today is Oscar day. I'm going to say goodbye to my old PC setup. So let me show you the specs and everything of my PC setup. So this is my old PC setup, and I installed the Bandicam, where you can see that I have started the application, and here you can see my PC specs, and if you want to see it you can pause the screen. So here I have written a heartfelt message for my PC, as my PC has been my best friend since I was young. So also you can pause the screen so that you can clearly read the message. So as you guys saw, that was the specs of my PC that I currently have, but now I'm going to build a new one. So I've decided some parts, motherboards, GPUs and CPUs, RAMs and desktop etc. from Google, and I've done a little bit of research about the best that I can get. So I took quotation from 2 or 3 stores in my locality. So I'll go to a store known as System Settings, and I'll show you what it's like to build a new PC. Guys, here I am, and here's my new system that is building. Yeah, cool, right? So it is System Computers, and today I'm building my new PC setup. As you can see, there's a lot of PCs over here. So there will be glass here. It's open right now, but there will be glass here. That's my whole system, right? There's a lot of other PCs over here. If you want to come and visit the store, you can take and get at a very low price. Look at the system. The GTX 1650 with fans, RGB, and this is a monitor. As you can see, there's a gap. Hey guys, yeah. So I'm very happy with the system. I've been using my old system for a long time. It's been over 12 years of struggle, right? But this system is too cool, man. I can't get over it. I'm very happy to get the system done, and let's go home and keep it running. Product is being checked over here. We'll go home, check it, make videos, cinematic shots, etc. And it's too fun. Keep watching. So guys, I'm ready with all the things and necessary things that I needed for the setup. So the motherboard that I'm using is the MSI Pro 8610ME DDR4 version. You get it on Amazon, or you can purchase it from a store. As you can see, here's the looks of the motherboard, and here is the product description. It's HDMI, and also it's Windows 11 supported. Main thing that I'm gonna use, that is the Intel i5 12th gen core. So it's a budget friendly PC, so I'll be using a limited budget for this PC. It's the Intel core 12th gen that I'm going to use. So I'm using the that is Vengeance LPX RAM, and I'm using it 16 GB for a single one, but I'm using two 16 GB RAMs for two slots, and yeah, I'll use it in the motherboard. Is the M.2 nvme SSD, that is PCIe 3.0. There is 500 GB SSD, but this nvme 2.0 is much faster. So this nvme 2.0 is a jet engine or a rocket, anything you want to say, but it's super fast. I'll be using PSU or smps as Cooler Master. Cooler Master is good. I have studied, surveyed, did some research, and it's 550 watt because I'll be running a specific graphics card. I'll come to that later, but I'll be using a specific graphics card with the Intel chipset with 32 GB of RAM. Anyways, it's cool to use the Cooler Master. Yeah, make it yours, right? Make it mine. It's the Gigabyte, the legendary Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1650. It is 4 GB, but it is the OC version. OC. It's overclock version, and it has 2 fan support, and it's nvidia. So guys, the setup is now ready. So let's turn it on and let's see how it works. So guys, this is my final setup after unpacking everything, and it is a Samsung 22-inch bezel-less monitor. It's 75 Hz and has a HD FHD display, as you can see clearly, and it is a zebronics invader cabinet with 4 RGB fans, and inside it there is the full system that I reviewed, that is GTX and the fans and the i5 12 processors, the RAMs, the SSD and NVMe SSD actually, and everything. So I'm all ready to go. I'll run some cinematic shots now and see you after that.
Aside from my soul, slow. There goes the sight, there goes the sight. There goes the sight from my soul. I think the four angels just walk by.
So hey guys, my setup is now completely ready and I'm ready to launch all the softwares and games and run the test on my new PC. And I hope you like my setup too, because it's really cool, you know. I like my setup, it's very cool for me, and I hope you also learned some things from this video so that you can apply when you are buying a new PC or something. And I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what else do you guys want to see. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.